Hey, welcome to Mr. Wallen's neighborhood. We're here at Mayto Beach in Mayto, just south of Puerto Vallarta in Jalisco, Mexico. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a cocktail with Los Abuelos Tequila, AKA Fortaleza. We know it as Fortaleza in the United States. They call it Los Abuelos here in Mexico. 2 ounces. Carpano Dry is our next ingredient. This is vermouth. Vermouth gives a really nice sort of texture. Any sort of wine in a cocktail gives the cocktail a little bit more mouthfeel. I know that sounds a fancy thing to say, but really it sort of changes the texture of the cocktail. We're gonna use 1 ounce lime juice. We're gonna use 1/2 ounce Passionfruit Real. We're gonna use this Jumex juice box right here. Perfect, pour spout already on it. This is mango, 1 ounce. Then I'm gonna use this winter melon bitters, because even though it's beautiful here and we're in paradise, it's still the winter time. Let's say about 10 drops. We add ice, top her up. Shake it up. Got my cocktail glass here, 1 ounce club soda. I'm gonna strain into this cocktail glass, add ice, and then for this, we're just gonna do a little lime peel, make it look nice. Make it look nice. Cheers.